Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Exhcnage. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and it's Friday. Weekend in front of the door, and the Dixie is looking very strong over here. I'm expecting them to break this resistance over here, these lows, these highs. S&P 500 all-time highs still. This is what I'm expecting for the Dixie. I'm expecting them to break this one. Next resistance would be this level over here, these highs, these lows, this area over here, together with this one. So between these lines, there's the next resistance. I'm expecting them to go there. Not something we would like to see, of course, but yeah, I cannot change it. Bitcoin. You know, in the end, Bitcoin is still between 31k and 40k basically. Got a comment, you know, saying 42k is the real resistance, and yeah, that is kind of right, you know. That is the high over here from beginning of the year, before we had the Elon pump. And I mean, that's totally true, looking at this high over here. Although, you know, we have a lot of stops over here. We have stops over there, we have stops over there, and we have stops over there. And after that, you know, there's barely any stops left till 47k. Because people place their stops, if they're short, they place their stop above higher highs, you know. So there's a ton of liquidity over here in this area over here. Still looking at it, lower time frame. Let's take a look. Let's go to the 5 minute. I mean, I'm seeing support over here. Right now, there's also support over here, just in the high 35k. And I mean, last night we dumped a little bit and I was like, ooh, this doesn't look good. And I managed to long it just below 36k, had a fun day, and right now on a lower time frame we can see this little trend line break over here. Maybe it adds up with these, not sure. Yeah, it does. So little trend line break, that is how I scalp. A good entry would be 35k, and so you take profit, you know, against resistance. So over here you would take profit, or over here you would take profit. I'm still thinking we go over here to the highs now. This was the low, that is what I'm expecting. Otherwise, good buy is over here, 35k. At resistance, you know, you do not long it, you take profit, unless you see very negative fundings. But I don't think we see those now. Let's refresh it. And only BitMax a little bit. Dollars are neutral. Ethereum not looking that good over here. Looking a little bit weak, you know, making lower highs again, making lower lows. For now, a higher low, but it's not looking that strong to me. Ethereum BTC looking a little bit weak on the 4 hour as well. Big support over here. Would like to see a bounce, would like to see some life for Ethereum BTC over there. BNB, I mean, you buy support, sell resistance. For now, I'm not touching it. The London upgrade will come soon. Maybe it shows life then again. BNB, I mean, same kind of story, you know. Had this high over here, but right now lower and consolidating basically. Lower time frame, you know, resistance over here, support over there. So you buy support, sell resistance, simple as that. Zilliqa, nothing really much to say about it. It's consolidating, high, lows. Low is a little bit higher, but it's hard to say something about it. Between these two, we really, you know, this is basically chop. Volumes are low. Just trade it when it's trending, you know. That's the best for altcoins. AAVE, Bitcoin. Still in this range, still looking quite okay over here. You sell it when it breaks this trend line. Other than that, you get out. So this is the all-important trend line for AAVE. If it breaks that, you know, you get out. Highs over here. Support for AAVE is right here. This low over there. So you want them to bounce over there. This is, remember, this is the AAVE BTC chart. AAVE USDT sideways, completely sideways. I mean, where is support, guys? Well, I think you can see it with your bare eyes. That is around 280, and we can draw a trend line over here. I think, let us take a look, something like this. And yeah, that's basically about it. We want to see higher highs again for it to look good. This one, that is resistance right now, and on a lower time frame you could also see these ones over here. Resistance over here, support over there. Not looking too good. AAVE BTC is looking better. Leo is not doing a lot of volume, but let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, low, lower high, low. I think the daily today showed some strength for Leo. So this is support, and right now this is resistance. It's simple like that, guys. Horizontal levels are the most important levels, and that is basically about it. Like I said, fundings are kind of neutral. How is the fear index? Let me refresh it. 21. That's still quite fearful. So that is bullish. When everybody is fearful, you know, you gotta buy. And that is basically about it for today. Guys, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. I make these videos every day. A little market update with, well, showing support levels and resistance levels and stuff like that. If you like them, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. If you want to subscribe to Bybit, or you did subscribe already, make an account with my referral link. It's in the video description, and thank you very much. See you guys again tomorrow.